Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Nasef 1 locating the targets. So what's the basic pentesting testing methodologies we used here? So the basic pentesting testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploration, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So now we would like to open the terminal. So first we just type here as sudo su and enter your password. Then later you just type here as did discount minus I is 0. So I have identified my target machine is here. So this one. Then later we just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your target right here. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with sh, another one is available with the port 80. That's it here. So we would like to walk to here as a port 80. So where we have seen here as with an Apache server, we would like to open the pesos. That's it here. Now we would like to look here. So in this pesos, we didn't get any useful information. Then we would like to open the terminal. We just open in the new tab. Now we just try here as a direct Gobuster. Then you just put here as a HTTP. Enter our target. Like it was 192.168.18.130. Then we would like to try here. What is the output we can get here? So hope we not yet get any useful information. Then we just try here as go with as nicto minus hash. Then let's put here with your target. Right here was 184.168.18.130. Then let's try here. Here also we didn't get any useful information. Now let's wait for the output from here. So I didn't get any useful information from here. So from here also, here also. So we would like to try here. So I would like to try a proof this one with my target IP address and wordless. So it will take more than 30 minutes. So I don't like to engage and waiting for you. So this is the wordless user share wordless directory bootstrap and directory list with the medium.txt. I would like to enumerate with a php.html or txt. So where that does not found any useful information from here. So this is also a no useful. Then later I would like to go with as Gobuster directly with my target IP address, same wordless. Then I try to enumerate only the txt file. So this also take more than 20 minutes, right? So I have find where available with a good maths.txt. So I just copy this one. Then we would like to come back here. Then we just paste here. So where I have find here is your key agent. So I have find here as this one as a private key. Let me just copy, come back. So we have got a such private key. So it was a encrypted this one. So we would like to try here as a clear. In this case also we just try here as clear. Now I just copy this one. Now you just put here as nano id underscore rsa. Let me just paste here. Just type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. We just put here as chmod 600 id underscore rsa. That's it. Now we just put here as a jump as so sorry, we would like to put here as sh2 John. Then we just put here as a id underscore rsa2 a hash. That's done. We just type it as cat a hash. So where we have got it here as this hash. Now we just utilize this hash utilizing as John. So I would like to unzip this one. So I just type it as a gunzip user share wordlist. Then rocky.txt. then you just put here as gz hash word list. I would like to put here as a user share a word list, then a rocky.txt. So let's we would like to try to crack this password. Then we would like to see here. So where I have got this. So just type it as now sh minus id underscore rsa. So we just need right now the username is agenter. So we see here this agenter. Just copy, come back, let's just paste here. Now enter our target IP address 192.168.18.130. Then it will ask permission. Yes, this is the password. Just copy, come back, then let's paste it. So where we have login here. Now just type it as a clear. You just type it as list minus a. Just type it as a cat a user.txt where we have find this. So now we would like to look here as we would like to look here as, let me just type it as clear list minus a as so this machine have a basic vulnerabilities like we would like to look here as a etc as password. It's have a read and write permission, so we just also look at as a cat as etc as a password. Yes, it's have nothing else. So we can also look here as a su password is a reading. No, authentication is failure. So how we would like to try to get it here. So to get as this one. Now we would like to look here a something. So I just type it as clear. You just put here as cat as etc password. Then let's just copy this one, come back, open a notepad, then let's just paste here. Now you just open new tab. Then you just type it as a open sl just put for password and a 6 salt JSON as 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's it. So this one you just need to copy, just copy, come back. In the X place, you just need to replace here a root. You just put here as a JSON. Now you just need to put here as a echo here. So I would like to just write everything in the one command. Now then let's go back. Then let's just put here as etc as password. That's it. And I will just copy. Now let's come back here. Now let's just paste here. That's it. Now you just put here as su JSON. Now password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's it. Where you have came to a root I. Now you can see here root cd root list minus a. You just type it as cat a root.txt. That's it. Where we have successfully done this here. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.